Hello friends, now we'll start the question number 2 from exercise 1.3. I will explain all 8 examples from the question number 2. Okay. In my previous video, I had explained question number 1. Okay. And if you want more videos from me, you can click the I button. Okay. And you will get all my previous videos. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रों. आता या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बघणार आहोत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 मधले 8 एक्झाम्पल्स मी या ठिकाणी एक्सप्लेन करणार आहे. ओके. आणि यापूर्वीच मी आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आणि त्यापूर्वीचे माझे सर्व व्हिडिओज तुम्हाला बघायला मिळतील इफ यू क्लिक दी आय बटन. ओके. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट दी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ओके. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First is x raised to e plus x raised to x plus e raised to x plus e raised to e. Now let y is equals to x raised to e चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला सहज काढता येणार आहे. e raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह तो देखील e raised to x and e raised to e त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0. इट्स अ कॉन्स्टंट. फक्त x raised to x, that is to find out the derivative of x raised to x, we have to take log on both sides. Now here we'll have let u is equals to x raised to x, then log of u is equals to log of x raised to x, and that is nothing but x into log x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay. Now what is the derivative of log of u is 1 upon u into du by dx, and that is equals to ddx of x log x. Okay. इथे product rule apply करना. First is x ddx of log x plus log of x into ddx of x. What is the derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. X into 1 upon x, log of x, derivative of x is 1. Now here the x's get cancelled and therefore you will get here 1 plus log of x. Okay. And therefore here again one more step, 1 upon u into du by dx, and that is equals to 1 plus log x, and therefore du by dx is equals to u times 1 plus log x, and is substitute the value of u, x raised to x. Okay. Therefore du by dx is equals to in bracket du by dx is equals to x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Okay. But now we have y is equals to x raised to e plus u e raised to x plus e raised to e. Differentiate on both sides. Therefore dy by dx is equals to ddx of e raised to x plus derivative of u is a du by dx, derivative of e raised to x, that is a ddx of e raised to x, and last is a ddx of e raised to e. Okay. Now what is the derivative of x raised to e? याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसा फाइंड आउट करणार? that is the derivative of x raised to n. its a derivative is a n times x raised to n minus 1 या प्रकारे, and therefore e into x raised to e minus 1, and we have find out the derivative of u. What is that? du by dx किती येतो तो x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. ही व्हॅल्यू आपण इथे सबस्टिट्यूट केलेली आहे. ओके. नेक्स्ट ddx of e raised to x is e raised to x. ddx of e raised to e, it's a constant. त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती असणार तर तो 0 असणार आहे, and therefore e into x raised to e minus 1 plus x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x plus e raised to x, and this is the dy by dx. Okay. Now you can see this again. तुम्ही पुन्हा एकदा बघू शकता इथे. या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये फक्त आपल्याला x raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह लॉग घेऊन काढायचा आहे. बाकीचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्स डायरेक्ट येतात आपल्याला. ओके. Now the next example. Second example, x raised to x plus e raised to x. Let y is equals to x raised to x plus e raised to x. Now here u is equals to x raised to x and v is equals to e raised to x. Then y is equals to u plus v. Therefore dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay. Now what is the u? U is equals to x raised to x raised to x. Take log on both sides. Therefore, you will get log of u is equals to log of x raised to x raised to x. पुन्हा नंतर हा x raised to x हा काय येणार तर पुढे येणार by using the rules of log. What is the rules of log again? I will explain. Log of m raised to n is equals to n times log of m. Okay. Using this rule, that x raised to x into log x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of log of u is 1 upon u into du by dx is equals to ddx of x raised to x into log x. पुन्हा इथे product rule apply करणार. Okay. Keep x raised to x as it is, derivative of log of x. Okay, it's a 1 upon x plus log of x and ddx of x raised to x. आता पुन्हा x raised to x चा derivative जर काढायचा असेल, then again we have to consider the log. That is, u is equals to x raised to x. Log of w is equals to, take log on both sides again. Therefore, log of w is equals to x times log x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Then you will get 1 upon w. dw by dx is equals to ddx of x log x. Now first x as it is, ddx of log x plus log x as it is into ddx of x. What's the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x. X into 1 upon x, you will get 1. Log of x into ddx of x is 1. Therefore 1 plus log x. Therefore dw by dx is equals to w in bracket 1 plus log x and this. Okay. Therefore ddx of x raised to x is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Third one. And therefore from 2. What is 2 here? Series here. 1 upon u into du by dx is equals to x raised to x into 1 upon x plus log x into ddx of x raised to x. आता इथे आपण x raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. What is the ddx of x raised to x? The ddx of x raised to x is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. ही व्हॅल्यू इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. Therefore 1 upon u du by dx is equals to x raised to x into 1 upon x plus log of x, and the derivative of x raised to x is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x, and this is okay. Next, therefore du by dx is equals to u times in bracket x raised to x upon into 1 upon x plus log x into x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Substitute the value of u. What is u? X raised to x raised to x, and take the common x raised to x and x raised to x. Therefore you will get x raised to x raised to x into x raised to x in bracket इथे क्या राहणार तर 1 upon x next log of x in bracket 1 plus log x. Okay, and hence du by dx is equals to x raised to x into x raised to x into log of x in bracket 1 plus log x. हे टर्म आपण आधी लिहिणार. ओके, आणि कॉमन काढताना इथनं काय कॉमन काढलेलं आहे तर लॉग एक्स कॉमन काढलेला आहे. याच्याजवळ लॉग एक्स आपल्याला द्यायला आहे का तर नाही आहे. therefore we will write here 1 upon x into log x into इथे आलेला आहे. ओके, I will repeat once again. या दोघातनं काय कॉमन काढलेलं आहे log of x. इथे log of x नाही आहे. therefore we write here 1 upon x into log x. आणि जर या log x ने या टर्मला जर मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर काय मिळेल तुम्हाला log of x in bracket 1 plus log x plus log of x into 1 upon log x. That log x did cancel. You will get 1 upon x, and hence you will get here du by dx is equals to x raised to x into x raised to x into log of in bracket 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x log x. Okay. Now next, v is equals to e raised to x raised to x. Therefore dv by dx, differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore dv by dx is equals to ddx of e raised to x raised to x. Now what is the derivative of e raised to x? The e raised to x चा derivative e raised to x असणार आहे. म्हणून आपण इथे काय लिहितो e raised to x. But this is again the composite. We have to find out the derivative of x raised to x. आता x raised to x चा derivative आपल्याला अक्षरशः कॉमन झालेला आहे. That is, its a derivative is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Okay, and here we substitute the value of ddx of x raised to x derivative. What is that? X raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x, and this is the fifth one. And therefore from 1, 4 and 5, okay, you will get, what is that? 1 dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Substitute the value of du by dx. काय होता du by dx? x raised to x raised to x into x raised to x into log x in bracket 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x log x. And what is the dv by dx? E raised to x into x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. And hence you will get the answer. And this is the dy by dx. What is that? X raised to x into x raised to x into log x in bracket 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x log x plus this is the dv by dx e raised to x into x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Now the next example. Log of x bracket raised to x minus cos of x bracket raised to cot x. Again, let y is equals to log of x bracket raised to x minus cos of x bracket raised to cot x. U is equals to log of x raised to x and v is equals to cos of x raised to cot x. Y is equals to u minus v. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to du by dx minus dv by dx. This is the first one. U is equals to log of x bracket raised to x. Okay. Take log on both sides, then you will get log of u is equals to log of x bracket raised to x. That is nothing but x times log of log x. ही power कशी येणार? तर पुढे येणार raised to. Therefore, by using the rules of logarithm. Now, log of u is equals to x times log of log x. Now, differentiate both sides, then you will get derivative of log of u is 1 upon u into du by dx. Okay. Ddx of x into log of log x. First, keep x as it is, ddx of log x plus next the log of log x as it is, then the ddx of x. Okay. Now what is the derivative of log x? First derivative of log x means what? 1 upon log x. पुन्हा हा composite है, therefore ddx of log x. Next log of log x as it is. Okay. Derivative of x is 1 and this simplification x into log of x derivative 1 upon x. पुन्हा हा x and x get cancelled. Therefore, you will get 1 upon log x here plus log of log x. And hence, du by dx is equals to u times in bracket 1 upon log x plus log of log x. Okay. And this is your du by dx. Okay. What is the du by dx? Substitute the value of u. That is the log of x bracket raised to x in bracket 1 upon log x plus log of log x. Now next v. V is equals to cos of x bracket raised to cot x. Take log on both sides. Therefore, log of v is equals to log of cos of x raised to cot x. Therefore, cot of x into log of cos x. Apply the product rule here. Log of v is equals to cot of x into log of cos x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Log of v म्हणजे काय? 1 upon v into dv by dx. That is equals to ddx of cot x into log of cos x. We'll apply here the product rule. Keep first term as it is. ddx of log of cos x plus log of cos x into ddx of cot x. Cot x is as it is. What is the derivative of log of cos x? 1 upon cos x into ddx of cos x plus log of cos x as it is ठेवणार इथे. What is the derivative of cot x minus cos x plus? Okay. आता पुढे simplification करणार. काय करणार? हे cot of x as it is. Okay. What is the derivative of cos x minus sin x? पुन्हा minus sin x upon cos x. You will get minus tan. पुन्हा tan into cot. You will get 1 there. Okay. Next. इथे बघा. Minus cos x square into log of cos x. Okay. Now therefore dv by dx हा 1 upon v इकडे whole bracket ला multiplied येणार. Therefore again here this is the sin x upon cos x, you will get 1 upon or this cot x. हा cot x आहे तो किती झाला 1 upon tan x and sin x upon cos x you will get minus tan x. Okay. Next cos x square x into log of cos x. Substitute that is a tan is tan get cancelled, then you will get in bracket minus 1 minus cos x square x into log of cos x. Okay, take minus n as a common, therefore you will get dv by dx is equals to minus v times in bracket 1 plus cos x square x into log of cos x. This is the and then substitute the value of v. What is the v? Cos of x bracket is to cot x, and hence we have the final value, that the dv by dx is equals to minus cos of x bracket is to cot x in bracket 1 plus cos x square x into log of cos x. This is the third one. Now from 1 to 3, what is the 1? 1 means what? dy by dx is equals to dv by dx minus dv by dx, du by dx minus dv by dx. What is the du by dx? Log of x bracket is to x in bracket 1 upon log x plus log of log x. This is a du by dx. dv by dx काय? Just आपण इथे हा calculate केलेला आहे. This is the dv by dx, and hence substitute these values in this equation. Then you will get dy by dx is equals to log of x bracket is to x, then 1 upon log x plus log of log x bracket come plus this all the value. पण इथे कसं आहे? मायनस साइन आहे आणि याला मायनस साइन आहे. That minus and minus, that will become plus here, and hence cos of x bracket is to cot x in bracket 1 plus cos x square x into log of cos x, and this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा बघू शकता हे. Now the next example, x raised to e raised to x log of x bracket is to sin x at y is equals to x raised to e raised to x plus log of x bracket is to sin x. Now what is the u is equals to? U is equals to x raised to e raised to x here, okay, and v is equals to log of x bracket is to sin x, okay. Y is equals to u plus v. Therefore dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now first u is equals to x raised to e raised to x. Take log on both sides. Therefore log of u is equals to काय ना log of u? Log of x raised to e raised to x. पुन्हा हा e raised to x काय? ती पावर आहे, ती पुढे आलेली आहे. Therefore log of u is equals to e raised to x into log x. Now differentiating on both sides, you will get, what is the derivative of log of u? Is 1 upon u into du by dx. Here ddx of e raised to x into log x. इथे काय करणार? The product rule apply करणार. What is the derivative of e raised log of x? Keep first e raised to x as it is. Log of x the derivative plus log of x as it is, derivative of e raised to x, product rule. Log of x the derivative 1 upon x e raised to x into 1 upon x e raised to x as it is. Then log of x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay. Now next, इथे 1 upon u आहे, तो u इथे multiplied होणार. E raised to x into 1 upon x means what? E raised to x upon x plus e raised to x into log x. Therefore substitute the value of u. What is the u? U is equals to x raised to e raised to x. This is your u. U is equals to x raised to e raised to x. Okay. पुन्हा इथे e raised to x, e raised to x, take e raised to x as a common. Therefore du by dx is equals to e raised to x into x raised to e raised to x in bracket 1 upon x plus log x. This is the second one. Next, v is equals to log of x bracket raised to sin x. Take log on both sides. Therefore log of v is equals to log of x bracket raised to sin x, and that's equals to sin x into log of log x. Okay, this is the log of log x. Now next, log of v is equals to sin of x into log of log x. Therefore we'll apply here the product rule for the differentiation. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Log of v is a derivative 1 upon v into dv by dx. ddx of sin x into log of log x. Okay, this is the log of log x. Okay, next 1 upon v into dv by dx. Apply here the product rule. First keep sin of x as it is. ddx of log x. Okay, I will write again one more bracket. ddx of log x plus log of log x. Okay, log of log x into ddx of sin x. by applying the product rule. Therefore, 1 upon v dv by dx is equals to, this is the sin x. What is the derivative of log x? Is 1 upon log x into ddx of log x plus log of log x, okay, log of log x into ddx of sin x, that is the cos x. Okay. Now the next 1 upon v dv by dx. This is the sin x. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Sin x into 1 upon log x into 1 upon x. म्हणजेच काय? sin x into 1 तुम्हाला किती मिळेल? sin x upon log x. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Therefore, multiplication of all these is sin of x upon log x into 1 upon x. What about the next? Log of log x as it is, and the derivative of sin x is the cos x. That is the cos of x into, in bracket, log of log x. I will again write here one more log here, bracket. Okay. And hence 1 upon v into dv by dx, that is equals to sin of x upon log of x into 1 upon x plus cos of x into log of log x. पुन्हा स्टेप इथे रिपीट झालेले. ओके. Therefore, dv by dx is equals to v times sin of x upon log of x into 1 upon x plus cos of x log of, again here, the log x. Okay. Substitute the value of v. इथे v ची व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. sin x into 1 sin x, x times log x is x log x, आणि नंतरची टर्म ही as it is आपण इथे घेतलेले. This is the third one. And therefore, from 1 to 3. What is the 1? 1 means what? This is the rule. 2 means what? du by dx. Okay, we have calculated it. And 3 means what? Just we have find out the derivative of v. Okay, so 3i. And hence, dy by dx is equals to. इथे या दोन्ही व्हॅल्यूज सबस्टिट्यूट करणार, du by dx आणि dv by dx. Okay, the first is e raised to x into e raised to x into x raised to e raised to x in bracket 1 upon x plus log x plus dv by dx ची value, what is that? Log of x bracket raised to sin x पाहिजे. Okay, bracket raised to, here is a sin x. Okay, in bracket sin of x upon x log x plus cos of x into log of log x. Okay. This is the dy by dx. पण इथे one more bracket केलेला आहे. Okay, this is the first to last आणि या log of x साठी एक bracket. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा बघू शकता. Now the next example, e raised to tan x plus log of x bracket raised to tan x. Again, let y is equals to e raised to tan x plus log of x bracket raised to tan x. u is equals to log of x bracket raised to tan x first. Take log on both sides. Therefore, log of u is equals to log of x bracket raised to tan x. That is nothing but the tan of x into log x. Okay. Therefore, log of u is equals to tan of x into log x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of log of u? 1 upon u into du by dx is equals to ddx of tan of x into log x. Okay, keep this tan of x as it is. ddx of log x plus log x into ddx of tan x. Okay, this is the tan of x. Log x the derivative 1 upon log x into ddx of log x plus log x. Okay, derivative of tan x is the sec square x. Therefore, 1 upon u du by dx tan x into 1 upon log x. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Log x, and the derivative of tan is the sec square. Okay. Therefore, 1 upon u du by dx. पुन्हा simplification. 1 into tan x means what? You will get tan x. X into log x means what? Tan of x upon x into log x. Put a normal simplification, log x into sec square x. Okay. Next, therefore, du by dx is equals to u times tan of x upon x log x plus log x, okay, into sec square x. Therefore, du by dx is equals to log of x bracket is to tan x. Substitute the value of u. Okay, what is that? Log of x bracket is to tan x, and then tan of x upon x log x plus log of log x into sec square x. This is. Now next, y is equals to e raised to tan x plus u. आपल्याला e raised to tan x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह डायरेक्ट करता येतो. Therefore, differentiating both sides with respect to x, therefore you will get dy by dx is equals to ddx of e raised to tan x plus du by dx. What is the derivative of e raised to tan x? E raised to tan x, but it is a composite. Therefore, derivative of tan x, which is the sec square x. And du by dx चा derivative just we have found out. आपण शोधलेला आहे. काय आहे तो? Log of x bracket is to tan x upon tan x upon x times log x plus log of log x into sec square x. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता. या टाइपचे प्रश्न बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये विचारले जातात. या माझ्या सर्व न्यू व्हिडिओची लिंक तुम्हाला जर तुम्ही आय बटन क्लिक केलं तर तुम्हाला ते मिळेल. ओके, नेक्स्ट y sin of x raised to tan x plus cos of x raised to cot x. Let y is equals to sin of x raised to tan x plus cos of x raised to cot x. मग इथे u काय असणार आहे? sin of x raised to tan x आणि v काय? cos of x raised to cot x. Therefore y is equals to u plus v. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. But what is u here? Sin of x bracket is to tan x. Take log on both sides. Log of u is equals to log of sin of x bracket is to tan x. That is nothing but tan of x into log of sin x. Okay, therefore log of u is equals to tan of x into log of sin x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log of u is 1 upon u into du by dx, ddx of tan of x into log of sin x. First keep as it is, tan of x as it is, then the derivative of log of sin x plus log of sin x into ddx of tan x. Okay, what is the derivative of log of sin x? 1 upon sin x into derivative of tan x, sin x. Okay, हा tan x आपण as it is ठेवलेला आहे. Log of sin x चा derivative 1 upon sin x into ddx of sin x plus log of sin x as it is ddx of tan x, that is a sec square. Okay, and therefore 1 upon u into du by dx. हा tan म्हणजे काय? तर sin of x upon cos x आणि हा sin x as it is. ddx of sin x इथे cos x आला plus log of sin x into sec square x. Next, this sin of x हा नंतर हा cos इथे खाली आला into sin of x into cos x. What will happen here? Ha sin and sin it get cancelled. This cos will get cancelled and overall you will get 1 here. That is 1 plus sec square x into log of sin x. Therefore du by dx is equals to u times in bracket 1 plus sec square x into log of sin x. This is your du by dx. Substitute the value of u. What is u? Sin of x bracket is to tan x. And bracket u will get 1 plus sec square x into log of sin x. This is the second one. Okay. Du by dx झाला. Now we'll find out the dv by dx. What is the v? V is equals to cos of x bracket is to cot x. Okay. Again take log on both sides. Therefore log of v is equals to log of cos of x bracket is to cot x. That is equals to cot x into log of cos x. Okay. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of log of v? 1 upon v into dv by dx is equals to ddx of cot x into log of cos x. Cot x as it is, ddx of cos x, ddx of log of cos x plus log of cos x into ddx of cot x. Okay. Now what is the derivative of log of cos x? Means what? पहिल्यांदा काय तर 1 upon cos x into composite आहे, therefore it is a ddx of cos x. Log of cos x as it is, derivative of cot x minus cos x square x. पुढे नॉर्मल सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे. इथे cot x as it is आहे 1 upon cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. ओके, आता इथे दोघांचा प्रॉडक्ट किती? ते मायनस साइन घेतला आपण. cos x square x into log of cos x. ओके, and therefore dv by dx is equals to v times या तिघांचा प्रॉडक्ट करणार. काय येणार? The product is this sin x upon cos x. You will get minus tan. And cot means what? 1 upon tan. पुन्हा हा tan get cancelled. You will get here minus 1. Next minus cos x square x into log of cos x. Therefore dv by dx is equals to v times minus 1 minus in bracket minus cosec square x into log of cos x. Take minus sign as a common. Therefore, dv by dx is equals to minus v in bracket 1 plus cosec square x into log of cos x. Substitute the value of v. v किती आहे? तर in bracket cos x bracket is to cot x. Okay. And therefore from 1 to 3. 1 काय होता है बघा. This is the second one and this is the third one. Substitute the value of these 2 and 3 in this equation. Okay. Therefore the final answer is dy by dx is equals to half it is the du by dx means what? This is the second one. Okay. Next dv by dx. पण याला कसं minus sign. Therefore this is the dv by dx and hence पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा बघू शकता हे. Okay, now the next problem. 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10 plus x raised to 10 raised to x. Let y is equals to 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10 plus x raised to 10 raised to x. Now here u is equals to 10 raised to x and v is equals to x raised to 10. W is equals to x raised to 10 raised to x. That is y is equals to uvw. Therefore dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. आता एक एक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करणार. पुन्हा प्रत्येकदा आपल्याला इथे लॉग घ्यावा लागणार आहे. u is equals to 10 raised to x. Therefore du by dx is equals to ddx of 10 raised to x. That is nothing but what is the derivative of a raised to x into log x. पण इथे composite आहे. Therefore ddx of 10 raised to x is a 10 raised to x into log of 10. पण हा composite आहे. म्हणून आपल्याला x raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करावा लागणार आहे. And therefore here is a ddx of x raised to x. Now to find out the ddx of x raised to x. मग इथे काय आपण इथे z सबस्टिट्यूट केला त्याला. कारण की काय evw तिने झालेले आहेत आपल्याला. Therefore z is equals to x raised to x. आपल्याला याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह माहिती आहे. What is the derivative? Directly number of the times we have solved this. X raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Okay. इथे आलाय बघा आन्सर. X raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. पण तो आपल्याला इथे पुन्हा एकदा आपण इथे सॉल्व करूया. Z is equals to x raised to x. Take log on both sides. Log of z is equals to log of x raised to x means what? X times log x. म्हणजेच काय log of z is equals to x log x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log of z is 1 upon z. dz by dx is equals to ddx of x log x. इथे product rule apply करणार. First x as it is, derivative of log of x plus log of x as it is, derivative of x. What is the derivative of log of x? 1 upon x. X into 1 upon x. Log of x. Derivative of x is 1. Therefore x upon x you will get 1. 1 into log x is log x. Therefore dz by dx is equals to z times in bracket 1 plus log x. Okay. Substitute the value of then z. Okay. Z is equals to x raised to x. And therefore ddx of x raised to x is equals to x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. This is the derivative of substitute the value of now here ddx of x raised to x. Therefore du by dx is equals to 10 raised to x into log of 10. काय होतं तिथे ddx of x raised to x. आता x raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला मिळालेला आहे. What is that? X raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x and hence this is the first one. काय the du by dx is equals to 10 raised to x into log of 10 into x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Okay. Now v. What is the v? X raised to 10. Take log on both sides. Then you will get log of v is equals to log of x raised to 10 means what? हा exponent पुढे येणार x raised to 10 into log x. Log of v is equals to x raised to 10 into log x. Now differentiating on both sides, then you will get log of v is a derivative 1 upon v dv by dx is equals to ddx of x raised to 10 into log x. Okay. 1 upon v dv by dx. x raised to 10 into log x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इथे प्रॉडक्ट रूलने फाइंड आउट करणार. ओके, कीप x raised to 10 as it is. ddx of log of x plus log of x into ddx of x raised to 10. What's the derivative of log of x? 1 upon x plus log x. x raised to 10 चा derivative 10 into x raised to 9. Therefore 1 upon v dv by dx is equals to. आता इथे बघा x raised to 10 into 1 upon x म्हणजे एक पॉवर कमी होणार. Then you will get x raised to 9. Next 10 into x raised to 9. Keep it as it is into log x. Okay. Therefore dv by dx is equals to v times x raised to 9 10 into x raised to 9 into log x, and hence dv by dx is equals to, substitute the value of v, काय येतं v, x raised to 10, take x raised to 9 as a common, then in bracket you will get x raised to 9 आपण इथे common घेतलेला आहे, in bracket you will get इथे किती येणार 1. What about here? 10 into log x, 10 into log x, and this is the third one. This is the dv by dx. Now next w is equals to x raised to 10 raised to x. Take log on both sides. Log of w is equals to log of x raised to 10 raised to x. पुन्हा 10 raised to x इथे दुसरी power आहे ती पुढे आली. Therefore you will get 10 raised to x into log x. Means what? Log of w is equals to 10 raised to x into log x. आता differentiate करना, इथे product rule apply करना. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, then you will get log of w चा derivative 1 upon w into dw by dx. ddx of 10 raised to x into log x. Product rule. Keep 10 raised to x as it is. Derivative of log of x plus log of x into ddx of 10 raised to x. What is the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x. Okay. A part इथे संपलाय. Next, log of x as it is. Derivative of 10 raised to x म्हणजे a raised to x सारखा. That is a 10 raised to x into log of 10. Okay. Now simplification. 10 raised to x into 1 is 10 raised to x upon x plus इथे किती येणार 10 raised to x into log of x into log of 10. काय कॉमन घेणार इथे? Therefore dw by dx is equals to w times 10 raised to x upon x plus 10 raised to x into log of x into log of 10. Take 10 raised to x as a common. W means what? X raised to 10 raised to x. Therefore dw by dx is equals to x raised to 10 raised to x into 10 raised to x in bracket 1 upon x plus log of x into log of 10. This is the fourth one, and therefore from 1, 2, 3, 4 we will get dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. मग du by dx किती आलाय बघा. dv by dx we have calculated, and this is the dw by dx. Add this, all these three, then you will get dy by dx is equals to, okay, 10 raised to x log of 10 into x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Next, dv by dx. Okay, this is the dv by dx. X raised to 10 into x raised to 9 in bracket 1 plus 10 times log x plus. What about the last derivative? dw by dx. This is the dw by dx. That is x raised to 10 raised to x into log of, into 10 raised to x in bracket 1 upon x plus log of x into log of 10. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. This is the du by dx, नंतर v, and lastly the dw by dx. Adding, you will get the answer dy by dx. Now this is the last problem from this question number 2. That is y is equals to tan of x, bracket is to tan x, and bracket is to tan x. Find out its derivative at x is equals to pi by 4. Now first take log on both sides. Then you will get log of y is equals to log of tan of x, bracket is to tan x, bracket is to tan x. पुढे काय होणार? हा tan of x पुढे आला by using the rules of log. What is that? That is a log of m raised to n is equals to n times this is the log of m. Okay, म्हणून हा tan पुढे आला. That is the tan of x into log of tan of x bracket is to tan x. पुन्हा हा tan पुढे आला. Then you will get tan of x into tan x into log of tan x. Tan x into tan x, tan of x bracket square into log of tan x. This is log of y. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, log of y is a derivative 1 upon y into dy by dx, ddx of tan of x bracket square into log of tan x. Keep this tan of x bracket square as it is, ddx of log of tan x plus log of tan x into ddx of tan of x bracket square. आता log of tan x चा derivative 1 upon tan x into derivative of tan x. Log of tan x into derivative of tan of x bracket square means what? 2 times tan x into ddx of tan x. Okay, tan of x bracket square 1 upon tan x, tan चा derivative sec square x. Log of tan x 2 times tan x, derivative of tan is a sec square x. Therefore, 1 upon y into dy by dx is equals to what you will get? इथे tan square x है, इथे tan x है. You will get 1 tan x कसा होणार? कट होणार. And therefore here you will get tan x into sec square x plus log of tan x 2 times tan x into sec square x. Okay. Next 1 upon y into dy by dx. आता कुठल्या टर्म्स या ठिकाणी आपल्याला कॉमन काढता येऊ शकतात. Now here is a tan of x into sec square x. पुढे इथे tan of x into sec square x. We can take common tan of x into sec square x, tan of x into sec square x. Therefore tan of x into sec square x कॉमन जर गेलं तर इथे काय शिल्लक राहणार? 1. And what about here? 2 into log of tan x. Therefore dy by dx is equals to y times tan of x into sec square x in bracket 1 plus 2 times log of tan x. Substitute the value of substitute the value of this y. What is the y? Tan of x bracket is to tan x bracket is to tan x. Okay, into tan of x into sec square x in bracket 1 plus 2 times log of tan x. Put x is equals to pi by 4. Then what you will get? Dy by dx is equals to tan of x means what? Tan of pi by 4. Bracket is to again tan of pi by 4. Bracket is to tan of pi by 4. Tan of pi by 4 into sec square pi by 4. 1 plus 2 times log of tan of pi by 4. What is the tan of pi by 4 means what? 1 raised to 1 raised to 1. This is the 1. Next, tan of pi by 4 is again 1. Sec pi by 4 and that's a square. That is a sec pi by 4 means root 2. It's a square. This is there. And for the last bracket, 1 as it is, 2 times log of tan of pi by 4. But tan of pi by 4 is 1. Means 2 times log of 1. But log of 1 is always 0. Therefore, here you will get 1 into root 2 bracket square means you will get here 2. आता याची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे ना? इथे 0. Okay, and hence I will write here one more step. 1 into 2 into 1 plus 0, that is 1, and overall you will get the answer 2, and hence dy by dx is equals to 2. Okay, पुन्हा इथे बघा याची overall value किती आली? 1 आली. This is the root 2 means it's a square is a 2. Okay, into in bracket here 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 2 into again 1. Overall you will get 2. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता हे. Okay, in this way we have completed the question number 2. Now we'll see in the next video for the question number 3. Again I will repeat here. जर तुम्ही I बटन वरती जर क्लिक केलं तर तुम्हाला माझे नवीन लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओ मिळतील बघायला. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.